Here's another sample from our old lock series. This is an American. I've heard some people refer to this as a American Model 200, but I can't find that marked anywhere on the lock, nowhere. It is marked US, so that tells us it's going to be key retaining, and I can tell you the Army used to issue, and in fact still issues this, the updated version of this lock, to soldiers that need to lock up their duffel bags. When they go through basic training, they get two of these. It has a brass body, and it's also got a brass shackle, so it will lock up your duffel bag or lock up your foot locker, but if you lose your key, which happens all the time in basic training, the hasp is soft enough where they can easily cut it with a pair of bolt cutters. So I did get a key with it when I bought it from eBay, and it works perfectly. You'll notice it only rotates a very small rotation, so that's all we can expect when we open it. It is key retaining. So let's see if we can't pick this thing open. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of talking because despite the design to not be a high level of security, it has a very good cylinder on it. Pretty sensitive to the touch. Okay, I got a little fault set out of it. Very little, but I got it. I feel like I'm getting feedback off pin 2. Again, just a hair, so I'm going to go ahead and give that a shot. Nothing bad happened, so that's good. Okay, it was like pin 5 might have set. No feedback. I don't know what that was, but it sure was loud. That was pin 1 coming back down. See if we can put him back. Again with a really strong feedback. I'm sorry, I need to turn that so you can see it. I know nobody likes looking at my thumb. I told you these were tough. Man, I didn't know they were this tough. Again, it's a big solid fault set. But it doesn't seem to be gaining us anything here. There's pin 1 down again. Dropping pin 1. There we go. Thank God. Whew, what a pick. Oh man. Who would have thought it from a fairly low security lock? Anyway, here's the American US model key retaining. It's about a 40 millimeter brass body. Nice little lock, not bad for something I found on eBay. Anyway, thanks for your time. Stay safe, stay legal, and get one of these. They're a lot of fun. That was the first time I picked it.